Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix frozen or black screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're running into some issues with your Nintendo Switch 2. You have a black screen, maybe your screen's frozen. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way that I fixed my black screen or frozen screen is that I actually went ahead and pressed down this button right over here. So if you press and hold down this button, so hold it for about 3 seconds, this menu here is actually going to pop up. So if you have access to this menu, all you've got to do is click on Power Options and then go ahead and restart your Nintendo Switch 2. Now the other option is that if your Nintendo Switch 2 is not responsive, you could actually go ahead and press the power button again and hold it for 3 seconds. And then if you continue to hold it, it's actually going to shut it off, okay? So that's actually a forced shut off or restart. So with that, you could actually go ahead and repower back on your Nintendo Switch 2 by pressing and holding the power button once again. And as you can see, it's starting to load up again. And so other issues that may arise is that if you are running into a frozen or black screen, go ahead and make sure that it is plugged in and charging because it might be due to like a low battery type issue. And any issues where it's due to like a very low battery, like 1% or less, try to make sure that the Joy-Cons are off as well, because with the Joy-Cons off, that's going to make sure that while you're powering your Nintendo Switch 2, it's not also going to be powering the Joy-Cons too as well. But with that, that was a forced restart for your Nintendo Switch 2. Hopefully that helps you fix a frozen or black screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.